Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Village, and in today's session we will take a look as how to use Excel's advanced filter options. Most of us are aware of how to use the filter options in Excel, and if you are not aware of that, please take a look at one of our previous tutorials where we have already explained how to filter data in Excel. Today we will take a look at the Excel's advanced filter options, which hardly a few people know about. Most of us never use this, and these options are really useful. So let us see how to use these options practically. In front of you on the screen, I have the sales data for a stationery store. Okay, and I want to filter it according to some criteria. So let us see how we can filter it. Now, in the old options, in the old filter options, what we had to do was we had to select the data and then go to the filter options, and we can use and view the filter data at the same place. And if we need to copy it somewhere, then we have to copy that data manually to some other place or other sheets. But in advanced filter options, we have the flexibility of having the data at the other place. Let us see how it is. For example, from this data, I want to extract all those records related to my sales representative Andrew over here. Okay, so what I will do is I will click somewhere in the data table, and then I will go and click on data. After clicking on data, I will go to the sort and filter options. But this time I will not click on the filter. What I will do is I will click on the advanced options. Once you click on the advanced filter option, this dialog box opens up, which is called as the advanced filter dialog box. Now it has three arguments. First is the list range, means where is the data to be filtered. Now it has assumed some data and it has put that in this particular column. So it has highlighted this, and we can see that it has correctly selected the data what we want, so we keep it as it is. Then it is the second argument is the criteria range. So what is the criteria range? Let us see one by one. Let me delete this and clear this, and now I will tell you that I want all the records for the sales representative Andrew. So what I will do is I will keep my cursor over here, go and highlight Rep and Andrew together. What does it tell Excel is that the criteria is Rep is equal to Andrew. If it is just Rep and Andrew, it assumes that it is Rep is equal to Andrew. Okay. So the next thing is that I wanted to copy to some other location, so in the same sheet. So I will click over here. Okay, let me clear this, because by clearing this I can select the new location. I will go and click on some cell where I want the data to be placed. Once I select this, we have completed the three arguments, and now we can click OK. If we want unique records, we can click on unique records also. But right now the criteria is Andrew, so we cannot keep it as unique. Okay, because it is appearing in multiple cells. So we click OK, and as you see, fantastic, it has pulled all the records related to Andrew and place it where we wanted. Now just see that we have extracted 4 records by using this advanced filter options in Excel. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Now let me clear this and we jump to the second example. So to clear anything in Excel, you can actually press Alt H, then E, and then A. What it will do is it will clear all data and all formatting in that particular range of cells. Okay, alt H, E for eraser, and A for clear all. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Okay, let us take a second example. First example, if I want multiple conditions in my filter. For example, I want the rep to be Andrews and the order date greater than 29/7/2018. So if you remember, we had extracted 4 records for Andrew. Let us see right now what we are able to do. Let us click on the data range, and as what we did previously, let us go to data, then advanced, and the data again it is selected properly. Yes, it is selected properly. We go and clear this criteria from the previous selection, and this time in the criteria what we do is we select rep is equal to Andrew, and we extend the range to the neighboring column order is equal greater than 29/7. Okay, so now what we have done is we have selected two criteria. In other words, we are telling Excel that I want all records related to Andrew where the order date is greater than 29/7/2018. Okay, let me select copy to another location over here, and I will clear this, and I will give it my location. So I gave the location and I click OK. So if you remember, last time we had extracted records and the records were 4. This time only 3. Why? Because one of the records is 2018 before our mentioned order date. So what it does is it has extracted all records related to Andrew where the order date is greater than 29/7/2018. I hope it is clear now. Okay, great. Now the third example what we will take, let me clear this as alt H, E and A. So we clear it, alt H, E and A. Please remember this is very useful shortcut, and I will be making in fact a separate tutorial to show this shortcut. Okay, so let us take one more example. Now what we were doing is we were filtering the data from here using the advanced filter, and we were placing it somewhere in the same sheet. What if I want it to be on some other sheet? If you want it on some other sheet, for example, if I want it in this particular sheet, then in that case what I have to do is I cannot click here and start the function. Okay, what I need to do is where I want the data in the other sheet, I have to first go there. Okay, so if this is the new sheet where I want the data, I will go there and I will click somewhere in the sheet. Why like this? Because for the advanced filter option, the destination has to be an active sheet. So now if I start the formula over here, then the destination has to be this sheet. But since I want the destination where the data is going to be pasted in this sheet, so I will start my formula over here for the same data. So I will come over here, click anywhere over here, and then what I will do is I will go to data and I will say advanced filter. So I will click here advanced. So once I click here advanced, it will as usual show me the advanced filter dialog box. Now it is asking me for the list range. So what I do is I go to my this sheet over here, example filter, and I select my data from here. So I will select my data. So this is done. Then I go to the next option, that is criteria range. Now let me go again, because the criteria is also available where in the stationary column. So I go there and this time I will just select the criteria where the total is greater than 150. So this time what I am telling it is, I want the destination data to be pasted in sheet 7 from this particular data, and the criteria is wherever the total is greater than 150. So I will click here now as copy to another location. So when we click again on copy to another location, again it has brought us back to the active sheet. So now no need to go back to the stationary example sheet. Why? Because now we just want to inform it about the destination. So what we do is we click somewhere over here, okay, and we clear this, and we click somewhere where we want our data to be, and we click OK. And this time, as you see, now from this sheet we have pulled the data to this sheet based on the criteria total greater than 150. So if you observe over here, all the total where in this particular column, all the cells containing more than the value 150 are listed over here. So if you go over here, this 63.68, 57.71 and 86.43, all these are excluded. So we are able to pull the data using the advanced filter option from the previous sheet to a new sheet. Now we can pull the data from this sheet to some location in the same sheet, as well as we saw how to pull the data using the advanced filter from this sheet to some other sheet. So this is how we use the advanced filter options in Excel. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any queries, you can comment below, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and share it with others. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of new videos.